our channel.
So today we are going to upload a video after like 1 month.
1 million of years.
It's just 1 month, okay? And we were having exams in the middle of these days, so we were not able to upload any videos.
How was your exam?
Easy plus hard, medium. It was medium.
For me it's hard, no medium, no easy. It's medium.
Okay, and so today we are going to Superbike race. Yeah,
Today we are going to the World Motorbike Racing.
And it's in Lusail where my father works.
Yes.
In Parsons.
It's gonna be so fun, I think so.
And there are like small bikes for the children to play from there. It's gonna be very fun over there.
Yeah.
Now we are in the car and the time is almost like 4:30 and the program starts at 5. I think we'll be able to reach at 5 over there.
Okay, so let's go. Guys, look, the metro is coming. It's so beautiful. And now we're at the way to Lusail. So guys, look at the road. It's so beautiful. It's my first time coming here. It's so beautiful over here. Way to Lusail. Okay, so guys, now we are at Lusail. We are near Lusail, and the landscape is so beautiful. I think it's my first time coming here.
Alright guys, so now we are almost going to reach Lusail and we both are so excited to be there and see you from there. So now we have reached the Lusail circuit where the world
Super race is going on, and really the program is starting on 5 and it is 4:49. There's 1 more minute to be 1 more minute to start the race.
It's 4:48.
Oh, it's 4:49. Okay, it's whatever, it's 5. Okay, and then
We're gonna show you what all things are inside this place.
it's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to get inside.
Bike race will start at 8, but we have reached at 5 because the fan zone
For kids is starting on 5, so we came here at 5. So let's go inside. I can't wait to go inside. Alright guys, so now we are at the fan zone and there's so much cars to drive and there is bouncy area.
and I think the bike race is already started. I can hear the sound of this bike.
So let's go and play.
6, Lavati, Melandri, Andriucci QatarI, and the back row up the grid. Alessandro Del Bianco, as you can see, they're starting actually 17. It's going to be the BM 2:14.5. That is the fastest lap of the weekend on his first flying lap. Bruno, there's nothing that he can do. And down was Tom's. He hoped that he had finishing inside the top 6 in the World Championship and in a Van der Mark for Toprak Razgatlioglu. The fight for third in the World Championship is well and truly still alive here. Ducati V4, Panagali now blacked ahead. Into 5th position. Kawasaki, Yamaha, Davies, and on the last lap Davies was quicker. The gap comes down to 1.7 seconds, so Chaz Davies. So the warm-up lap then is completed. The yellow flag is being waved. No notification on the timing screen. Lowe's again closes in. Goes down to 1/10 of a second, and now Toprak has some real close attention. Bautista is now clearing off, so Bautista is closing in. Bautista on the last lap was the fastest rider on the circuit, a 1:57.7 versus a 1:58.0. So he's basically missing half of the section. The 86th time, and he gives Kawasaki the Manufacturers' Championship as well. Another great result for Jonathan Rea. Chaz Davies from the 5th row of the grid finishes on the podium. A stunning ride from Jonathan Rea. He really is rewriting the record books and becomes another winner here. A great ride from the Yamaha of Alex Lowe's. He pushed Jonathan hard. Jonathan responded to the pressure, and it's another win for the 5-time world champion. Remember, as I down into the Parc Ferme, Jonathan here, and we wait also for Loris Baz. Loris Baz, the in. Here comes Loris Baz then, what about it? Come on Lusail, make some noise for the Frenchman. Top independent for Loris Baz and the 10 Karte Racing Yamaha team. A 7th place for the Frenchman as we wait now for the world champion. Jonathan Rea makes his way on. Again, you can follow us on our social media channels, World SBK on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and on YouTube. The hashtag for the weekend, QAT World SBK. QAT World SBK. And here we go then. Jonathan Rea wins in Lusail. Thank you to Mr. Almanai for the presentation. Let's now welcome onto the stage to Chaz Davies and to Alex Lowe's. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your respect please for the race winners' national anthem. Congratulations to Jonathan and another race victory. Congratulations to Kawasaki, the winning manufacturer. And ladies and gentlemen, your applause please for our first podium of the weekend. Jonathan Rea, Chaz Davies and Alex Lowe's. And of course we'll now get the customary photographs for the various social medias as well. Of course you can see everything on our World Superbike channels. WorldSBK.com is the official.
Alright guys, the race has been finished and it was very nice. It was very nice. And Jonathan Rea has won the race. Jonathan Rea. Kawasaki. On his bike Kawasaki, the name of the bike is Kawasaki. And after this, what we're going to do is that
We'll go outside and have dinner in the restaurant, and then we'll go back to our house.
hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our video,
Smash the subscribe button and
enable the bell icon so
any of our videos.
keep watching, support us, and bye-bye.